So this is the 3D printed manual transmission that I built. It's made up of about 30 printed parts in PLA, and it's powered by this 60 RPM motor right here, battery. And the way a manual transmission works is that there are freely rotating gears, and then there's gears that are attached to the shaft, like this one in the middle right here, and the one in the middle right here. And by moving this selecting gear here, we can connect the freely rotating gear and the ones that are attached to the shaft. And now power is transmitted through the motor, through the input shaft, and now it goes through this gear, onto this gear, and to the output. And then if I select, say, this gear right here, now the power is transmitted through here to the output. And by changing which gears the power is transmitted through, we can change the gear ratio. Right, now we can see the manual transmission actually in motion, and now the motor is powered and the input shaft is rotating, but as you can see the output shaft is not rotating at all, since none of the gears are locked. So I can rotate the output shaft this way and this way, either way, and it rotates freely. But now I'll put it into first gear, and we can see the output shaft is starting to turn at a slow rate. And I'll put in second gear, and now the output shaft is rotating slightly faster. And then third gear, that's much faster than before. The third gear has a gear ratio of 1, so the input is 60 RPMs and the output is also 60 RPMs right now. And if we go to fourth gear, the gear ratio is 0.5, so now the output shaft is rotating at 120 bounce per minute. And then finally we have this gear right here, which is the reverse. So if I do this, the gear is now rotating opposite direction as the input shaft. And then I'll put it back into first gear, and you can see it was rotating in the opposite direction.